Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that the functions in example 10 and exercise 67 are called step functions because their graphs look like stairs. We're asked to give two other examples of step functions that arise in everyday life. So the basic example of a step function is the ownership or having something. It doesn't matter what that object is. Owning a number of things is necessarily a step function because you can only own integer amounts. So let's say I start out with two of those things. I own them for a period of time, and then I buy a third thing. At no point do I have 2.5 of these things. I jump up to the third, and I have that for a while. Then let's say I sell it and I'm back down to 2. And then maybe I buy 2 more, and I'm up to 4. But you own discrete amounts of these objects. Another example of this is postage. When you are buying stamps for postage that you're going to be sending in the mail, they don't actually look at the exact weight of your box, your letter, whatever. They're looking in what category it falls within. So let's say we have 1, 2, 3, 4 different options, and this is going to be determining the cost of whatever postage it is. Calling it 1, 2, 3, 4, but this is specific weights. Let's say this is like 3 ounces, and then that is a certain cost all the way up until you hit 10 ounces. So these are all different steps in the same function. And you can't have any value in between. That is the key thing of a step function. It jumps in value. And sometimes people have it like this, but the actual function itself will not have any vertical bars. It'll just be the segments in between.